Hello everyone, today I am going to show you the best text-to-speech website for your YouTube channel. In this video, I will also tell you how to use it efficiently in your videos. So without wasting the time, let's start the video. First, go to the Google and search Natural Readers. You can use all AI voices for free. Open this website and log in with your Google account by clicking on button Start for free. After the login, you will have this interface.
This is your text area, where you will type your video script.
From here, you can change different voices. Let me show you.
We have 3 options: free, premium and plus. You can use all of these voices for free.
I sat on the bench, staring out at the vast ocean before me, and couldn't help but feel overwhelmed with emotion.
What sunshine is to flowers, smiles are to humanity. I have selected this voice.
Now, what you have to do is, type your script, select your favorite voice, and click on the play button. That's it.
I'm going to share with you how I create my videos and earn money using a text-to-speech website. First, I start by writing my script. I make sure to include all the important information and keep it engaging for my audience. Once the script is written, I head over to my text-to-speech website. This website allows me to record the voice for my videos quickly and easily. After I have recorded the voice, I use editing software to add visuals and other elements to my video. Finally, I upload my video to my YouTube channel and monetize it. Thanks to this text-to-speech website, I am able to create high-quality videos with ease and earn money from them. Give it a try and see how it can benefit your content creation process. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.